This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Keypad phone must run Java MIB or have a basic browser. Once done, make sure you have mobile data or Wi-Fi because streaming consumes data. Next, download a lightweight Java YouTube client compatible with your model or navigate to YouTube. COM in the phone browser. You press Menu, choose Downloads, then install the jar or load the mobile page. This gets you to the app or site interface so you can search for a video. You now search and play. Start typing with T9 or multi-press to enter keywords. Make sure to be specific to reduce results. Once you see results, navigate with arrow keys or number shortcuts, highlight a video and press the center select key to open it. Before playing, choose a lower resolution or low quality setting to prevent stalling, because CPU and bandwidth are limited on Keypad phones. If playback starts, use the side or number keys to pause, rewind a few seconds, or adjust volume. To finish, close the YouTube client or browser to free memory and return to your phone home screen. This avoids background crashes. If the video buffers or won't start, switch playback to lower quality or move to a stronger Wi-Fi spot, since limited bandwidth is the usual culprit. If the app freezes or crashes repeatedly, restart the phone, clear temporary files, and reinstall the Java client. These steps restore stability and let you watch more smoothly on a Keypad phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.